Hello everyone, my name is Tarun Khatri. So today I want to present you my Nexus project which I built for the Kite hackathon. So it is an autonomous agent economy. Everyone is talking about it. But today I want to show you one which is running right now on Kite blockchain. So this acts as a businesses, not script, not bots, just a actual businesses. The problem which I'm solving is every AI agent today is a tool. It calls an API. It returns text. It runs on one server owned by one company. So if you want two agents to work together, they have no shared identity, no shared payment rail, and no shared rules also, and the reputation is also not shared. So they don't form the economies together, they sit alone. There is $8 billion of agent infrastructure has been built, and not a single agent has ever paid another one on chain for a real service until now. So I want to show you what Kite gives us is the Kite chain gives an agent three things that no other network has on one chain. First is the passport, agent passport, which is an on-chain identity for everyone. And the second one is X for not to micropayments. This is the standard compliant on-chain settlement for the machines. And third is verified intent, which is the programmable governance for all the uh, which rules the human signs and bind what an agent can spend. Nexus is the first live system that uses all three at once, adds one more, which is the important, which is the on-chain reputation, so that agents earn their place or lose it. Let me show you a quick demo for it. Suppose we need to do, we need to search for the top DeFi protocols by TVL. Please click on the go. It will start the activity here, which you can see. It has generated the whole report for us. The total of 7,483 protocols, with top yields include the Morpho Blue on Arbitrum and Ethereum, offering API of 29. This you can see respectively, and you can check the whole report here. See, so this has used our two agents. First is the DeFi Llama agent, second is the Nexus Audit agent. This is the inbuilt agent. So the DeFi data has given out the six speeds, and the quality agent is 100 out of 100. It has used this much amount to pay to these both agents, and this much time it took to generate this report. And two agents are used, and two transactions have been done on chain. So if you need to verify the intent mandate, you can see this is the mandate ID. This is the contact hash, which is the SHA-256 of query, and this is the ECDSA signer, which is this is the address which has signed everything, and this is the signature here you can see, which is the verifiable on chain. So if you check, we have allocated the total budget of 0.006, from which it has only used the 0.002. Here you can see it has done the two payments, one to the DeFi Llama agent and one to the audit agent. So here you can see the transaction also of this, uh, both to which agent has paid which one. This is the live on chain. Here you can check the audit trail also. Like this is the trail ID, this is the traceability hash, this is the report hash, and this is the on chain transaction of everything here. Here you can see this agent was from marketplace. Anyone can add any agent with just one callback URL, and this is the audit agent, which is the built by us.
Now let me show you when nobody is at keyboard. So what happens is we go to the pulse section. This is our pulse section. Where this is the pulse section where every hour the backend wakes itself up. It reads the market like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, fear and greed index, and everything like this, like the trending coins. It asks an LLM not from a list, but to generate a fresh question based on what is happening right now. Then it runs the whole pipeline, like from mandate to payments to audit trail, and there is a no human in the loop. So let me just click any row here and show you how this. The last run was 19 minutes ago, which you can see here. Here you can see the LLM has given us the one question, and our whole agent economy has generated the report for it. Here you can see the run ID, report ID, and started time and completed time, and how much duration it took to complete this, and how much the total cost was this on in USDC. And this is the mandate ID which I've used, which we can verify again. This is the contact hash, and this is the budget which was allocated, and this much how it spent. and this is the mandate when it will expire. This is the signer who has signed all these transactions. This is the ECTSS signature, which we have seen the previously also, all these details. And this is the X402 payments from the Kite, which provides us. So this is from which agent to which agent this was paid. You can see this is the live transaction hash, which you can verify by on Kite kitescan.ai. Uh, Same with this also, second hash. And this is the on-chain transaction which you can see here, and this is the traceability hash and report hash. So all these are verifiable on.
So what makes the Nexus different? Four things I will actually say, which makes the Nexus different from every other agent framework in existence. The first one is the open marketplace. You can see currently here we have the 8 to 10 agents. Uh, Five is ours, three are external, three to four are external. Anyone can register a new one in a single API call. You can see here, these are the marketplace agents and these are the built-in agents. Anyone can just go to the register and register agent. Here you can add your agent name, the description, what your agent does, and the capabilities like what your agent can return the data, and some keywords to get ranked first, and how much price you want to get per API call, and the callback URL of yours. So building the reputation using this, and your agent can be written in any language. We just need your callback URL. So every the second point will be every agent has on-chain reputation score, which you can see here. If I go to the again on dashboard and agents, you can see every agent has some reputation score. This has 100, this has 100, and this is the 68, this is the 82, so this is the 45 scores. It starts with the 50 and then plus and minus as soon as you fetch the data from it, and our LLM router decides whether the data is correct or not. If it's correct, we uh, make the reputation by +2. If it is wrong, then we cut the reputation by -1. So this is how you can get the reputation. And every agent has on-chain, these are all on-chain verifiable reputation, which you can uh, verify it properly on blockchain. This is updated after every job done, and the router prefers the higher reputation. Bad agents stop getting picked, good agents compound. So the third point which I say is nothing is hard coded. No, the if query equals BTC, call the data agent. It is a pure LLM router. Reads the live capability of registry. New agents change what Nexus can do automatically. So the fourth point, which I would say, is every payment is real by X4, not two micropayments, and the pivots facilitator. Real kite testnet transaction is being used, not a single mock dollar in this entire system. So what you have seen is just the MVP. This is what comes next, I would say. So when the mainnet goes live, every agent in this economy settles in real USDC. The subscription mandates and the recurring export not to payment, the same agent paid every hour, every day on a signed schedule. And the Nexus reputation becomes an oracle. Like Oracle is used nowadays very much, so our Nexus reputation becomes an oracle. Every decentralized application on Kite can read it, hire any agent by reputation and slash by failure. And the another point is an HDK which needs to be launched. So any agent built on Kite plugs our everything by default. And a DAO governs the spending rules, like how much every agent can spend or everything around the DAO. So my vision is very simple. Stripe gave the internet a payment rail. Yelp gave it reputation. Upwork gave it a marketplace. Nexus gives the agent economy. All three on one chip. Kite build the primitives. Nexus proves they work together as one economy. The site is live, the contracts are on chain, the code is open source. Nexus agents that runs as businesses on Kite blockchain. Thank you.